So hey guys, welcome again to my channel Being Up to Date. So today I am going to deliver Lecturette on Indo-Russia relations. So let's begin. So talking about Indo-Russia relations, India had very strong bilateral ties with USSR and the same relations got inherited by Russia later. India was Russia's best partner since 1950s, as USSR provided India with immense financial aid and helped us in infrastructure and industrial development.
Now if we talk regarding defense sector, Russia has been a very generous defense partner to India right from the time of independence. BrahMos missile, Su-30 fighter aircraft and T-20 battle tanks are some of the examples of joint cooperation of both the countries. And also soon S-400 air defense system will be supplied to us. Russia is also an important partner to India in nuclear energy, space technology and various other fields of science. And in fact, India's first space satellite Arbit was launched from the Russian launch vehicle.
Now from last 10 years, Russia made proper partnership with China and chances of military alliance seeks as well. Russia also sold weapons to Pakistan, and also most of the time Russia made neutral statement regarding India. But still, India trusts Russia more compared to USA because overall policy of USA is much positive towards India. But when it is about crucial time, when we need their help most, then most of the time they give strange statements. Like recently during COVID-19 crisis,
USA legally allows export of raw materials which were required to make vaccines. Consequently, vaccination in India doesn't get boosted and we lost many lives of Indians, whereas Russia offered us oxygen, remdesivir injection and Sputnik V vaccine when we were in much need, which increases our trust more towards Russia. Consequently, our relations with Russia will become more strong in variety of fields as both the countries agreed to establish a 2+2 ministerial dialogue of foreign and defense ministers. So overall we can say Russia has proved itself to be all-weather and evergreen friend of India. But from 2014, with India's growing inclination towards USA, there has been increased closeness between Russia and China. Since former US President Donald Trump's aggressive behavior toward its non-allies, China and Russia also have started cooperating at higher level at BRICS and SCO also. So India need to handle these situations more tactfully and diplomatically so as to continue this strong and evergreen friendship with Russia. So that's all for today. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.